In front of me is nothing phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Don't worry, you don't need to download Recorder app, but you need to find one that's already on your device. So find it, and when you're ready, click on it. Now, before you begin recording, hit this gear at the top right corner and decide if you want to enable or disable high quality format thanks to this switcher. Then go back and use red button to start. Hit allow in the pop-ups. And as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To discard it instantly, click on this X at the top left corner, and to end it and save it, use Save at the bottom right one. Now name it and tap on Save in the pop-up. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use those three dots at the top right corner and operate all of those options: share, rename, or delete. You can also skip it 10 seconds each way while listening. And if you go back to the list, you can hold any recording and use those options at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!